Howdy, partner. Big Papa Leads here. Today we're going to be exploring mortgage and HELOC leads. I don't know what that was. I'm sorry. I'm not from the South. I'm Canadian. Anyways, guys, today we're going to talk about how to generate mortgage leads, home equity line of credit leads, refinance leads on Facebook, on Meta. The moral of today's story is you just got to start, because I just ran some tests for mortgage leads just for fun. Just because, hey, why not? I'm going to run some ads. And I got some leads for a pretty good price here, about $11 per lead. And you know what you're going to say?
You're going to say, Big Papa, those leads probably aren't good quality.
Maybe you're right. But how about you just try it first, test them, get some feedback, and then you can decide for yourself. You can make tweaks, you can follow our training, and make those leads better quality over time. Learn from Facebook, from Meta here, and then go to Google, grow your business. Instead of just sitting there twiddling your thumbs, hoping something's going to happen, or cold calling or door knocking, whatever you're doing as a salesperson for mortgages. Maybe you're a brokerage, maybe you want to sell mortgage leads. You just got to start, and it's really easy to get started. I'll show you exactly how to do it. You can just freaking do this, and then you get some leads. All right, so let's jump on the computer. I'll show you how to get mortgage, refinance, and HELOC leads in this video. And by the way, I'm going to be going through this as a series. I'm going to be doing niche after niche and just showing you how to get leads. Because if you use the systems that we teach you guys, it's pretty straightforward. And guess what? You can learn them for free in the free school, link in description. You can get more help than that, get access to our entire course, all our templates, 3 group calls per week, new cold email and client acquisition training coming, all for $99 a month. We also have a new lifetime subscription that includes some one-on-one coaching, and the price point is like unbelievable. I know I'm biased, but seriously, it's all these people online are charging like $10,000 for like a minute of their time in their courses.
Give me your money!
We don't do that at Leadbase. So click below, join the free school, check out the Bootcamp. I'll shut up. Let's jump on the computer. All right, guys. Whew. Fired up today, boys and girls. We have some campaigns here that I set up. This is actually more focused on refinancing, but the same principles are going to apply for mortgages, for getting people for new mortgages. So what we really want to do here is we want to leverage a few different things when we're creating ads. We don't just want to say, see if you can get a mortgage, or need a mortgage, learn more. Like, we don't want to be super basic. We want to compete. We want to be better than the other people out there, because the truth is 90% of the ads on Meta, on Google, everywhere, they all suck. And you just need to be better than those guys, and you're probably going to be successful regardless of if you're selling the leads or selling to the leads or selling the leads to somebody else. So I've got 17 leads for $11. This is on our website. I've got 18 leads for $4.55 on Facebook. So if you know our process, we like to start with a lead form, which is what I did here. I started with a very simple ad, and then I moved it to a lander. I'm paying twice as much on the lander, but I would probably bet that these are going to be twice as good. And I believe these were text verified, if I recall. So want a home equity loan for a new project. Again, very simple, straightforward ad. And I'll show you guys the copy. And I'll kind of go through all the things that I've set up here. But I'm not doing anything crazy with these initial ads. These aren't video ads, they're just image ads. This is the ad I'm running. Get approved for fast and low mortgage refinance or home equity loan at low rates. Amounts between, I like to throw those like random amounts in there so that gets people thinking. Any credit welcome, easy application progress, get funds fast, mortgage or property, arrears help, power of safe help, getting help from someone you trust. Click below, and we'll sniff out the best rate on the market. So kind of like using a bit of comparison, calling out homeowners in this one. Homeowners can use this home equity loan program, calling it something different, using exclusivity to pay off debts, credit card bills, and other bills. Okay, so I tried that on lead form, and then I moved it to a lander. New rates available, and in summer 23. This simple ad just worked well. New rates available. Exclusivity works very well, guys. Exclusivity works very well, and urgency. So there's new rates, and they're not going to be around forever. That obviously worked very well. I got 12 leads for $5 because people are interested. Yes, that might be a bit clickbaity. You might want to morph that over time. But again, this is a starting point. If you've never run mortgage leads, I'm showing you how easy it is to start. And then you can start to tweak things and get these leads to a better quality. Okay. We got new exclusive HELOC program. Again, exclusivity. We've got our winning ads from the other one. This is using dynamic creative. It kind of pops in different headlines, and the shorter kind of headlines worked quite well here. This one got 3 leads for 20. Again, the winning lead form ad there. Nothing crazy. Like, I set these up very quickly. I thought I set this up more recently, but I guess this was in 2023. But you guys get the idea. Just using that exclusivity, using the urgency of the ad, and kind of spinning the offer, not just saying learn more about getting a mortgage. You got to leverage some sort of aspect of an offer. You need a strong offer for these ads to work well. So again, very simple setup here. Let's take a look at the targeting I did. I just left it wide open. This is a special ad category, which is why we can't target for age. And then I just did interest, mortgage loans, home equity loan, home equity line of credit, loan or home equity. So very straightforward. This is the entire US, 45,000 people. If you have to go state by state, you could call out the state in your ads. You could say, hey, Kentucky, there's new rates available to you that aren't going to be around in 2025. So you want to jump on this right now because, banks need customers and they're willing to compete on rates. So find the best rate today. Just urgency like that. People are curious about the rate environment with today's market, and those types of ads just work. And then you can start to build out a more extensive landing page. You could have an advertorial. We have all the templates that you need from that inside of the Bootcamp, and you can start to increase the quality like I said. So let's take a look at the lead form here. Again, everything's very straightforward here, guys. You could set this up very quickly and start to get leads, probably for a lot less than you're paying somebody to generate them for you, and they're probably charging you $50 or more, and you can get them for $5 to $10. This one's the lead form. We're a bit picky about who we can help. Bad thing to say when trying to get customers. Try the questions below. Make sure we don't waste your time. Sound fair? Okay, we've got simple intro paragraph. Questions asked here. We're just this is a basic lead form. Again, this is the starting point where you can test from. You can start to ask more questions on the lander, and you'll see, we went to the lander after this simple lead form, and I'll show you the difference and why it's probably worth paying twice as much for a lander lead because we get more information. All right, as I said, that was a test, so that page was no longer live, but I have it right here. The page converted at 20%, which is pretty crazy. 26 on this variant. So this is unbounce, guys. If you haven't used unbounce, you should. It's better than go high level for landing pages. You can weight your pages by percentage and test different things. So let's take a look at a few of these. Okay, unlock the equity in your home, check over 8 lenders. So if you have partners, you can say check over a certain amount of lenders. We can connect you with the best one. What kind of property? How are you using the property? What's the zip code? What are you using it for? Estimated value of the property. Do you have a mortgage or line of credit on this property? Estimated amount remaining on the mortgage. How much are you looking to borrow? What is your best credit score? And then name, email, phone number, and text verification. So we've asked quite a few questions there. We're still getting these leads for $11. Getting someone through that quiz, you're still going to get some leads that aren't great, but you're going to get leads that are good if they're going through that information. Again, for $11, if you're a mortgage broker, you can do this yourself pretty easily. If you're generating leads, you could sell these for, I think the going rate for mortgage leads is $45, $50. You could sell them for less and still make a great margin on these. So this is the kind of quiz that we like to use. That's the kind of the starting point when you're going to landers. Let's check out this one. This one just might be different with what's under it, or maybe we didn't change anything. But you guys get the idea. Pretty simple, straightforward landing page. Okay, this one, do you qualify for the new home equity loan rates? So again, exclusivity, urgency, there's new rates available. It's special, something you don't know about. See if you qualify. Okay, so this is the most simple version of a lander. Again, you could go and have an advertorial where you talk about the market, you talk about rates and the rate environment and why you should lock in now because banks are hungry for customers. All these different ways you could spin it, and you probably know more than me if you're a mortgage broker or you're in that industry at all. So again, the steps that we went through there is that we set up a simple campaign, we set up some simple ads, and our goal really is just to get some lead form leads like we did here. Oh, $4.55. Hey, that's not bad. You can test the quality of those leads, call those 18 to 20 leads and say, hey, you know what? These actually aren't bad. 12 people picked up, 4 of them are actually really interested. That's a really good cost per appointment or cost per interested prospect. But I'm still going to test my lander. Oh, you know what? 15 of them picked up and 6 of them are interested. Is it worth it to pay this $11? It's just a formula. It's just a simple calculation. Set up your lead forms, run them for 3 days, see what your results are. If you're not getting leads, take a look at your click-through rate. Make sure it's over 1 to 1.5%. This is about the perfect range that I want to be in. And if it's under 1%, your ads aren't working or your audience isn't, it's not resonating with your audience. But you can pretty much just take the ads that I've run here. All you got to do is just do it, guys. A lot of you guys are like, you're freaking out. You're not sure when you should start or what you should do. Just do it. Just do it.
Just do it.
It's really honestly easy, guys. And again, I'm going to say it again. A lot of people that are watching this are like,
those leads are probably bad quality because Facebook lead forms suck.
Yes, I say that in every single video. But you need to start somewhere. You can't just go to Google Ads and start running a search campaign and expect to be successful. You're going to spend thousands of dollars. You need to start on Facebook, learn what creatives are working, develop your landing page, make sure it's working. Then you can move to Google, and you could do that pretty quickly. You could do that within 30 days, and then you can run both of them. Then you could run TikTok, you run a cold email campaign. You can do all these different things. So hope that video is helpful. Join the bootcamp below for $99. It's a no-brainer, and we'll see you in the next video.